Hey guys, today we're unboxing the Mingdaln smartwatch. So this is a touchscreen smartwatch that's designed for fitness, but it's got a pretty nice look to it, so you can pretty much wear it anywhere you want to. We're going to turn it on here and try it out here, but there's a lot of great features, so let's just talk about them real quick. So first off, got a 1.3-inch touchscreen, which makes it really easy to adjust the features and settings on it. There are 8 sport modes on it, so depending what type of sport you're playing, you can set it to that mode, which makes it even more accurate and for tracking the different things that are going on. So from bicycling, basketball, swimming, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, it is also waterproof, which is a great feature. And has a great battery life. On one charge, it'll last 4 to 5 days, so you don't have to worry about making sure you charge it every night. One charge will get you almost through the whole week, so basically twice a week you're going to be charging this, and that's it. And this works with both Android and iPhones, so it's got all kinds of things from a heart rate monitor, blood pressure monitor, blood oxygen levels, weather, stopwatch, all kinds of features. But anyhow, let's get this thing turned on and check it out. So it comes with the charger stand, which is just a USB plug-in, and then it's the style you can just set your watch right on it. Very easily charge it sitting next to your bed or wherever you want to charge it. All right, to turn it on, you're going to long press the button on the side here. And then you're going to want to go ahead and download the app. It's the Da Fit app, but they send a QR code along. You just scan the QR code or search it in your app store. Download that, and then you can go ahead, open the app, and then connect it to your new watch. All right, so once you're in your app, you can view all of your data here, your steps for the day, your sleep data, your heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, your running, information like that. And then there's also additional settings you can do in here. You can change the face of the watch for what it looks like. There's different faces that are pre-built into this. There are settings. One thing I was looking for, you're going to want to change it. It comes in metric, so if you want to use the imperial system, you're going to want to go in the app and change it to imperial. And you can change your profile with your weight and height and all that in here as well. So a lot of features here in the app. Very easy to use watch. You're going to swipe up to get your battery meter. You can put it in a theater mode if you're watching a movie or something you don't want it vibrating. There are your settings here. You can swipe to the side for different fitness options, and swipe to the right to get your data for heart rate and all that kind of stuff. So it's really easy to use. It has one button on the side for turning it on and off, and also used as the back button, the lock button. But nice looking watch. The band that comes with it is actually, it's like a simple black band, but it's very comfortable. So yeah, it's a nice watch. If you're looking for a smartwatch, this is a good looking one with a lot of features, a cool app built in that connects really easily. So make sure you check it out.